Come on, man. Y'all already know who it is, man. It's with us, man. The biggest. Oh, Wolf, man. And we back with another reaction video, man. And today we got that baby Keem, Birds and the Bees. Well, let me do this. Before I get into it, I just want to say shout out to everybody showing love to the channel. Appreciate all the love, the likes, the shares, the comments, the dislikes. Just everything, man. Y'all don't gotta do it, but y'all are doing it, so I do appreciate it, man. Um, yeah, I don't got nothing else to say to y'all. We 2,700 strong. Appreciate it. Yo, I'm really performing right now. If you think about it, I'm performing in front of an arena right now. I just sold out an arena. Y'all, people don't think about it like that. I just sold out an arena. You feel me? Arena of people watching me right now. But yeah, man. Today we got Baby Keem, Birds and the Bees. You already know he just dropped Casino. Um, I wanted to do like a album review on that or reaction to that, but I don't know how to really like do it like that. You feel me? That's one, and two, I don't know how YouTube gonna really feel about that. It might let me post a video, it might not. Sometimes YouTube is iffy like that. Um, but yeah, Birds and the Bees. Honestly, this after like the first two listens, this was one of my least favorite songs. Right? It was cool. It was cool. But that's just after a few listens. Like I've listened to it for a few days now, and it's actually kind of grown on me. This song and what's the song called? Oh my gosh. Because I vibe with y'all, I'm finna look up what the song called. It's with him and the what's the old? Nah, he ain't not an old nigga, but he not an old nigga, but it's him and Too Short. The Sex Appeal song. I feel like Too Short messed that song up. Cause it was good. Keem was doing it. You feel me? Keem was doing his big one on there, but Too Short was like, You feel me? But yeah, I guess you gotta do it for the feature, man. But let's get into it though. Let's see. Also, Baby Keem, visually, the guy is like he shoots some great videos. I don't know who helps him or what his creative process is behind it, but I do like him. Like his videos. Chill. Hold on real quick. Quality. Okay. Written by Jackson.
Hey Anna, come on, you always doing this shit when it's time to go. I told your ass when it was time to leave. Anna.
Bro. I just see that and I just thought of my girl. Yo. Y'all want to all my fellas out there, y'all want to know how y'all counter that? Just don't get ready at all. Don't get ready until she start putting on like her shoes or something. Then you go start putting on your clothes. Cause if you decide you're gonna put on your clothes and wait, you gonna wait on your girl to get ready? Right. Just wait until everything's done. Wait till she putting on like her shoes. I would say her pants or her skirt or whatever, but she might change that. You gotta wait till she putting on her shoes, about to tie him up or strap him in, cause you will be so frustrated. And I've learned that's what I have to do. I have to wait till she's fully ready before I start putting on my clothes. Cause if not, I'm gonna be waiting and I'm gonna be mad. So yeah, I just seen that little teeny clip and I just.
Sometimes I'm extra to protect my energy. Monday,
30, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, all fucking day you do this shit.
Can you turn down the audio? Please ask me nicely.
But on Saturday we practicing the
So
birds
bad.
and the bees.
I ain't mad.
I ain't mad.
Not
Bitch, I'm
mad.
tired of lying to you and acting like it's fact. I hate a curious bitch, always asking
What's that?
When I say that I am boo, that mean I'm never coming back. Shawty keep that dog in the kennel. Her
He
man
just, like,
bought the dog, who
doesn't
just
have
didn't
it
have
in
it denim. I just hit my
Stop playing
stride.
with me, man. We gotta go.
I was ducking all the drama, spent the summer getting thinner. Little piece of work, she's a bad mama drama. I get freaky with her, hit her
Am I
off,
still
forgot
playing
the
now?
condom. She was fucking with me back when I would drive the Honda. She be ready for me, I don't tell her when I'm coming.
You're lucky I'm even fucking coming with you tonight. Like Monday, Tuesday, we've been out every night this week.
Ay,
Oh, shit, just
Thursday, you gon' meet Baby Keem. Friday,
fuck
I'ma
is
see you
Jay?
to your knees. But on Saturday,
That nigga tripping. He's singing that, man. Oh my gosh.
we was ay,
Oh, shit, just
Thursday,
Nigga said I should have brought Jade. You crazy.
gon' meet Baby Keem. Friday,
Who the
I'ma
fuck is
see you
Jay?
to your knees. But on Saturday, we practicing the birds and the bees.
I told you about that girl.
My bros get them hoes to the truck, then
Hey, man, shut the fuck up. Where was you at when I was getting my ass
always
whooped?
tryna leave with me.
What?
Young
Man,
nigga.
Hey, shout out to RDC World. I don't remember his name, but he's a great villain. Shout out to my guy from RDC World, man. Sadly, the only people we know is Mark. Not me not say we. The only person I know is Mark and Leland. Them the only, probably because they black. You feel me? I only fuck with black people, friend. I only fuck with the black people, but yeah, man. Shout out to RDC World, man.
You on that plane like a your
clown
boyfriend,
shit,
a clown,
bro.
we like to call that nigga
Listen, I told you about calling
She
me a
wanna touch
clown.
our us,
Oh.
I'm like, bitch,
My goddamn
just
mom.
fine. You be acting shy in person,
difference
but
between the two
speaking
shits.
online. You always get your
think
way,
that girl
I
just
see it
conceited.
in your
What
eyes.
made you call her Jade anyways?
Truck sitting quiet, all right.
Got my two queens confused.
Thursday,
What I heard word on the street
Baby
is
King. Friday, I'ma see
she got
to your
two
knees,
kings.
But on Saturday, we practicing the birds and the bees. Tell my
she
bros
black
get
as
them
I.
hoes to the truck, then a B&B. Shawty got her ego, she always tryna leave with me. Young nigga, put you on that plane like you B.O.B. Your boyfriend a clown, we like to call that nigga B.O.B. She wanna touch her ass, I'm like, bitch, just vibe. You be acting
fuck?
shy in person,
Nah,
but
nah,
we
nah,
speaking
nah,
online.
nah.
Oh. Oh. Ah. Ah. I would burn in hell. I would fry and sizzle in hell for what I do to her. 13 million? I'll fry. Crispy. Crispy like how them Hawaiian slow cook that bacon, that whole pig, and it be super crispy. That's how crispy I 13 million? First of all, how she even get this information, baby King? You gotta chill. You got two and you giving what? 13 M's? Crazy.
Drained your account?
Bro, hurry up.
They said, bro.
She going faster. She on my fucking red. Thursday, you gon' meet Baby King. Friday, I'ma see you to your knees. But on Saturday, we practicing the birds and the bees.
Ah! That nigga would have got me bad. I would have got so mad. My anger would have went from her to him. I would have went across his shit. He played with me like, I would have went across your head, boy. $13 million, you gotta call the bank. calling Chase right away. Hey, somebody just my account. That was not me. What? Is you crazy? Is you crazy? Somebody just did something to my account. $13 million? Y'all think I look at the history of my account. Y'all gotta get into detail because she just took all that money from your account of her. When she land, the police gonna be waiting for her. Wherever I don't know where she thinks she going with my money. 13 million is crazy. She could have took like the first 8. Nah, 8 is still a lot, bro. Maybe like a couple 100,000. But like, you gotta call Chase and you gotta be real detailed. You gotta tell Chase, hello, check my spending. I have never spent any type of anything towards that in my history of being with you guys. Also, could you see who the wire is transferred to? I have never transferred any amount of money to that person in my life. This is fraud. Please call the FBI. She's on the plane right now. She got a gun on that plane. I'm gonna get a shot. She getting shot. Call. No, we gonna call wherever that plane going. We gonna call that city, and we gonna say she got a gun on that plane, and coke, and drugs, and she wants to bring it into your city. You think it's a game? 13 million of my money? Oh, bitch, you crazy. You ain't making it off that plane. Yeah, you ain't making it off that plane. You better hope that shit crash in the sky. Yeah. I'm not playing with you. But nah, though, man. Dope video for one, right? 2, the way this is set up, I realized a reoccurring theme with Baby Keem. He love the house. He like too much girls that just don't fuck with him for real. And I peeped that, bro. He like girls that don't fuck with him, and you ain't gonna get nowhere like that, my guy. You gotta relax.
I just hit my
Stop playing with me, man. We gotta go.
I was ducking all the drama, spent the summer getting thinner. Little piece of work, she's a bad mama jama. I get freaky with her, hit her
Am I
off,
still
forgot
playing
the
now?
condom. She was fucking with me back when I was.
And then look how he looking. It's probably not your girl, but it's a girl you see all the time. Why you looking at her like this, bro? Like he's so like, if that's your girl, you know she could look good. You looking, what are you doing? That's why she took your money, cause you moving like a sucker.
The Honda, she be ready for me. I don't tell her when I'm coming.
And she just said she's so hungry. Oh, the hell, I'll meet you downstairs and not go downstairs. Cause what? Keem is just a sucker. It's cool though, man. I guess she's Indian. I guess they made the what if they picked the Indian I don't know if she Indian or not, but she got the thing. She also got the that necklace is a Indian symbol, right? But what if they only picked her because of the beat?
You're lucky I'm even fucking coming with me tonight. Like Monday, Tuesday, even out every.
Because it sounds a little Indian. It don't sound like, but it do sound a little Indian. You hear me? And then here.
Hey, Thursday you gon' meet Baby Keem. Friday
Who the fuck is Jay?
That nigga
but on
hard.
Saturday we practicing the birds and the bees.
She hit that man hard, but she gotta relax, bro.
That girl.
My bros get them hoes to the truck, then the
Hey, man, shut the fuck up. Where was you at?
The fact that he got black eyes on both sides,
I was getting my ass
always
whooped.
tryna leave with me.
What?
Young
Man, she
nigga,
beat
put
my
you
ass
on that
too.
plane.
and then this part made it so funny because I didn't even know he was getting beat up too until they played it back.
B.O.B. your
clown
boyfriend,
shit,
a clown,
bro.
we like to call that nigga
Listen, I
B.O.B.
told you about calling
She
me a
wanna touch her
clown.
eyes, I'm like, bitch,
goddamn
just
mom.
You be acting shy in person,
Difference
but
between the two
speaking
shits.
online. You always get your
think
way.
that girl just conceited. What made you call her Jade anyway?
Got my two queens confused.
Thursday,
But I heard word on the street is
Friday, I'ma see
she got
to your
two
knees,
kings.
but on Saturday we practicing the birds and the bees. Tell my bros get them hoes to the truck, then the B&B. Shawty got an ego, she always tryna leave with me. Young nigga, put you on that plane like you B.O.B. Your boyfriend a clown, we like to call that nigga B.O.B. She wanna touch her ass, I'm like, bitch, just vibe. You
The
be
fuck?
acting shy in person,
Nah,
but
nah,
you
nah,
thinking
nah,
on
nah,
you.
nah, nah, nah,
You always
nah.
get your way.
Change your account?
Let's edit this video for me back, cause I would have went crazy. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. But yeah, man, shout out to Baby Keem, man. I think this video, if it didn't have the song playing underneath, right now it's a lot going on, right? Um, but if it didn't have the song playing underneath and it just had them acting and talking, it'd be like a good short film. He does a lot of these, like the last. Well, I didn't watch his casino documentary, right? But I did watch his last film for the melodic blue. Dope, bro. Dope. It was on Amazon Prime. Dope to me. Like visually, fire. Storytelling, fire. Like, um, what would you call that? Plot twist, crazy in that. Y'all gotta. I recommend it if it's still there. Um, but yeah, man, great video by Baby King, but it's a lot going on. If they only had the song playing, we wouldn't really know what was going on. But this might be a thing he do. So this might lead into his next video because he does that a lot. Well, not a lot, but he's likely to do that in my eyes, right? But yeah, if you stood here and you enjoyed the reaction, drop a like on the video. Uh, if you didn't like it, drop a dislike. But let me know why you didn't like it, man. And drop in the comment section what y'all want me to react to next. Appreciate all the love y'all been showing me. The likes, the subscriptions, the shares, the comments. Keep running it up, man. Like I said, we 27. Ooh, 7. Ooh, yeah. 100 strong, man. 2700 strong. Appreciate y'all so much, man. You already know what I'm going to say. What I'm going to say. The wolf is what? Ow!